Blackview is one of the best manufacturers of rugged phones, and in 2019, surely a rugged phone is a great option, right? This is the Blackview BV6800 Pro, and it comes in at under £200. So let's find out if you're really getting your money's worth. So in the box you get treated to Blackview's traditional packaging and content. They tend to stick to a minimalistic, clean look, so there isn't really much to talk about here, just your standard accessories. Let's get stuck into the phone itself, and it's safe to say Blackview haven't really developed their visual design over the years, and they tend to stick with what they know best, and it does seem to work for them. As the measurements show on the screen, it's quite a hefty feeling headset in hand. Don't get me wrong, it's not uncomfortable, but it's certainly not desirable. But then again, it is designed for ruggability, so I guess that concern can be thrown out the window. It's all smiles on the front with that 5.7 2160 by 180 Full HD screen. I'm actually quite shocked with this one, as it appears to be a massive improvement from Blackview's original line. Image is crisp and full of contrast, and obviously it makes for great video viewing and gameplay. On the back we're housing a set of two 8-megapixel dual camera lenses, and from the captured images they're actually surprisingly quite good. Images are accurate and sharp, and the camera interface offers some fantastic forms of customization. So the phone has an upgrade of IP68 waterproofing, and the manufacturer promises operations from depths of up to 5 meters. Well, for an hour. How accurate that is, I'll leave that to the other channels to find out. A great upgrade with this model is the wireless charging capabilities. Bit slower than I originally expected, but you do have that backup option with that fast charging. We're housing a 6580 mAh battery, and it takes about 2.5 hours to get a full charge, which I don't know about you, but I think that's not bad. You still have a responsive fingerprint scanner on the back, but if that isn't enough, they finally introduced face unlock abilities, which is actually surprisingly quite good too. You can pair it up with third-party applications, eliminating the need for passwords. NFC technology has been built in, so now Google Play support has been finally added, which nowadays I think most phones should include. We are running Android 8 with some impressive internal components. A standard 4GB of RAM, an impressive 64GB of standard storage, and an octa-core 1.5 GHz processor. This means this phone really makes for some great smooth overall use. Gaming, surfing, multitasking and much more is lag-free and completely responsive. There doesn't really seem to be any struggling at all. I've been surprised with practically everything with this phone this year, and obviously its rugged design means it can take quite a beating. Partnered up with its waterproof capabilities, it's really an all-round runner in the durability department. Its operation is smooth, and for the price I don't think you can really go wrong. I'll link the product in the description, check it out and let me know what you think. Till next time.